Alright, so this is a quick video. I'm about to show y'all this shine armor. You know, I got the quick coat. It's basically like a ceramic coat. You basically repel dust, water, and shit like that off your car. Now I got the scratch remover. Now I wasn't gonna do this video at first, but then I actually tried this and this shit actually works. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Just a couple scratches on my car. Alright. Let's see. I know the camera picking this up right here. Right here you see it's a scratch. Right here. And right here. I don't know how this shit happened, but I'm about to just apply this and rub it in. And you're just gonna see like this scratch. It's kind of going across my car. I don't even fucking know, but like this. So let me see if I can prop this up. Yep, you see the scratch right here. So it says just apply like 4 pea-size drops onto the spot and clean it off. It says it's a polishing pad, but I only got this towel right here, so I'm just gonna use this towel. It's a brand new towel, and I just used this on the other side, and that scratch went away, so I'm gonna try it on this part right here. One, 2, 3, 4. Or whatever. And it says make sure you shake this well before you use it, which I already did that, because like I said, I already did one spot. But anyway, all right, you see the scratch right there. Take your towel and you just want to rub it in. You can't even see the scratch no more. See, it basically like blends in with the paint stuff. Like I said, this is the revised scratch repair. I'm gonna do a couple more parts on my car where the scratch is at, and then I'm gonna do the shine armor fucking quick coat shit. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my car doing this. Like I said, got this off Amazon, link down in the description. You put it on the scratch area, rub it in, and the scratch like goes away. All right, so now I'm just about to do the quick coat one. Let me go over here real quick. So basically, I already put the spray cap on it, and you basically got to spray on a clean surface with a damp towel. This towel right here damp, and then you want to gently wipe the surface with the damp towel. And as you get done with that, then you want to hit that same spot with a dry towel, and just repeat this throughout the whole car. So I'm basically gonna start like at the back corner panel and work my way around. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if this shit work or not. All right, so I just got done applying this to the whole car. Like I said, you seen the scratch revive shit. Just did the shine armor, did the whole car. When you're doing either one of these, make sure your car is completely clean first. So that's why I did it at the car wash, because once I got done doing the car wash, I did the scratch, this revised scratch repair, and then I did the shine armor. So with the shine armor, you need a damp towel and a dry towel, and you might just want to start on one side and work your way around the whole car. That way you can get it done quicker instead of just doing certain spots. I think after wiping it off with the dry towel, you can feel how it's slicking off the paint. It falls easier. I'm not gonna do no water tests. Like I said, I stay in Vegas, not about to sit here and waste no fucking water. It's too hot for all that. But I think you can feel it. You can feel it while you're wiping on. It got some type of repel to it. I don't know how it's going to uphold, how long it lasts. I kind of wash my car every other week. But if you want to try this out, as what I've seen so far, you've seen the scratch bar, it takes it off. And this, from what I'm seeing so far, the towel is sliding right off the pan.
Was on my grind, it was my time. I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Reached every goal I actually set. I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. And now I'm out here getting rich.